College pun fibro kecimutip nam tai khubor Laitkam Hikai de kidon kumba trutali ek post Laitkam Hikai kibalat kibade po is Khasi kane kade po upgraded secondary school of Solaper UP SSA school under Samagra Shiksha tela upgrade naka UP Shaka secondary kade po snong Solaper on contractual basis initially for a period of 1 year kade shis nam baik magina and to be extended. Age between 18 and 32 as on 1/1/2023 relaxable up to 5 in case of tribe and scheduled caste or up to 40 years for those serving in government aided school. Tikidan rutu lagi post kawai namta headmaster postgraduate in industry with 5 years experience and 2 years experience in school administration and beyond. Kena day lepo wajar per month but namta kini kui kami kaya beda kede up kena hajar per month fix. Assistant teacher in English, Bachelor of Arts and major in English and beyond. Assistant teacher in Science, Bachelor of Science and major in subjects and beyond. Assistant teacher in Mathematics, Bachelor of Science and major in Mathematics, Lane PCM and beyond. Assistant teacher in Social Science, Bachelor of Arts, major in subject and beyond. And assistant teacher in MIL, Bachelor of Arts and major in Khasi and beyond. Interested candidate are submit application along with photocopies of all the mark sheet, past certificate and experience certificate if any, duly attested with one passport size photo on or before 12 December, hal Neshwak Artik December, to the office of the district school education officer and district project coordinator Samagra Shiksha is Khasi Hill district Nongrimau Laimkhra Shillong the RT campus. Applicant are to mention their mobile number, email ID in the application form for further communication. They can is Khasi Hill. They keep a apply nam tagni post publish submit apo office DSTO kabde jonga is Khasi Hill kabron apo nongrimau Laimkhra ngane adaptho is Khasi Hill nongrimau Laimkhra Shillong DRT campus. They thank you, College pun.